Welcome to the show. I know I haven't did this in a long time. But yes, I am doing this from my own place. Well, I live with my boyfriend, but still, I'm here now, so my own place. Hello. I am eating cereal. I don't want to be wasteful because I know that there's people out there that's less fortunate to have food. So I'm just eating it. So I'm just eating it because I don't want to be wasteful. It's so nasty though. It's really nasty. It's the off-brand version of Reese's Puffs, okay? This cereal was more like throw-up puffs. Off-brand kind is nasty. Never get this off-brand cereal again. Like, this is just freaking nonsense. And like this is worse. Like, ew, like, I don't even be eating that. Like, this is like my second bowl of the freaking off-brand Cocoa Puffs. But, no, and now I know to never get off-brand cereal because, like, they taste nasty. But do y'all like my flowers? For real, my boyfriend got it for me. I'm almost done. See? This nasty yo off-brand cereal. Like, I was just trying to be nice and save a brother a few stamps or two. But like, if I would have known that like it would have been like this nasty, I would never got them. Oh yeah, I cut my hair. You should have seen it like what 3 months ago. It was like so sore. I looked horrible. So what have you guys been up to? Well, since you asked so nicely, I'm trying to find me a job. A J-O-B. A job. Damn. Okay, I'm done. It's like really nasty when it's soggy. I'm never eating you or your little nasty brother again. Y'all are just great cereal companies everywhere. Yeah. I'm done. Just, like I only want the milk. And I like milk, but I just don't want that because that's it marinated in a cereal and it's all nasty and soggy. No, stay. Yeah. No. Hey, Oreo. Hi. So, like, I've been living on my own since February, and I like it. It's really quiet and peaceful sometimes, but still good. I ate that nasty old cereal. Now I kind of want some lemonade. But I have lemonade money, so I just suffer. Yep, my little. I have a ceiling fan and it's on. Ori, come here. Come here. No, you don't want to come? There we go. Hi, Ori. Hi, me baby. Remember Oreo? Me baby. Oh, gosh. What to do? What to do? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Oh my gosh. Like the last time I posted a video was when we found out we had the place. I was like so excited. And now I'm in the place. Me and my babies. What are you looking at, Oreo? Where's your brother Gramps at? Gramps! We can turn back time to the good old days. So, I only got some funny cat videos I can post for you. If I still got them on my Snapchat. I'm just doing it because I'm bored. Hi, Grammars. Hey. Come here. Come here, baby. Girls, hi, my little fluffy kitty cat. Oh, hi, my little other jealous kitty cat. Y'all just so jealous of each other. Come here, Gramps. I got Oreo, though. Come here, Grammars. Come here. Okay, Oreo, my little jealous cat. You like all the attention, don't you? I know you do. You're my baby. Gramps, stop licking my shoe. Come here. Come here, Gramps. After I say guys, Gramps, then I will shut you off. Because like you do not want to see me for no daggone 7 minutes. I know I'm ugly. I know I'm not attractive. But hey, I don't care about all that. I'm just doing it because it's giving me something to do. Gramps! Come here, baby. Come here, my handsome. He got fatter. He is so adorable. Okay. Hi, baby. Hi, Gramps. Hi. Hi, my handsome. I love you guys. Yes, I do. Yeah, so later, I might get me a little lemonade. Lemonade. Okay, well, bye. Bye.